stamps, and we're going to be doing a demonstration with our Yucco card today and our alcoholics. Okay, so I'm going to try it slightly different again this time. I'm going to draw a line of colour across the top, and I'm going to dot and then we're going to bring in some currant, and then I'm using the blending solution and I'm just going to pour that across, and so it just drips down the card. Now at any point we can add more if we want. Just keep on working with it. And let's see what kind of effect we get. Who knows? I'm sure it'll be something we can use. But just have a play, guys. Play with your backgrounds. It's amazing what you can do, what you can achieve with the alcohol inks. It just works so lovely, don't they? Okay, so I'm going to just dry that off now. Okay, so let's take a print from this now and see what we get. So we need our alcohol lift, and we need our brayer, and we need some matte card as well. So I've got that there to hand. So we need to be quite quick, as I've said before, otherwise once we put the alcohol lift on, the inks underneath automatically just start moving. So for us to get a really nice good print, we need to act quickly. So I'm going to go this way. So running that along the top, and then we just pull that down the card like so, and then straight on with our card, give that a smooth over, make sure you've covered everywhere. And let's see what we've got. Got a lovely, lovely colourful background there. That straight away, that kind of jumps out at me as, you know, a sea life kind of background with some fish or Jolanda or the mermaids. So I'm going to leave that dry, have a think about it, and then we will stamp onto that. Okay, so our background's nice and dry, and we've got one of our lovely mermaids here. So I'm going to ink her up in the VersaFine. This is Nocturne. Now we're having to use our very large Perspex block here. We do sell these now because our mermaid's so big she won't actually fit on any of the blocks that we had. So as I say, we've got these in stock on the website now, so, and they're great for the larger stamps. Okay, so I'm just going to angle her slightly, place that down and give that a good press. Let it rest for a while. It's a big stamp with a lot of details, so she needs a little bit of love and care. Okay, there we go, excellent. So we're going to use some of our other stamps that we had in the collection. So just grabbing some of those now. And we can just decorate the bottom area here. So we've got some lovely sea urchins. So this time we're going to ink up in the Twilight, which is not quite black, sort of a navy blue. So we just pop those down the bottom there. And I'll just carry that on to the end. Okay. And then we've got our other sea foliage. And again, I'm going to ink up in the Twilight, and I'm just going to bob that down. And the detail on this is so incredibly fine. And again, that is credit to our manufacturer that works so hard to get the detail that we put in. So that's something that our stamps are known for, are the detail. And we like to carry on with that, and all the time we're just improving with the detail. And you can see all the fine lines in the seaweed here. Okay, so there's quite a lot going on down there now. We're just going to, what we're going to do now, I think we'll go around the edge first. Go with the medieval blue. Let's see how we get on with that. Work my way around the edge. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the Twilight now. Just change my smoothie and bring in a little bit of depth down here at the bottom, making that colour a little bit deeper. find the purple can be sometimes quite a harsh colour. So if we go over with the blue, it just takes the edge off that. But then I've never been a purple person, to be honest. We all like our colours, don't we? In fact, I don't think I own anything purple in my wardrobe. And yet it looks fabulous on other people, just not me. Okay, so we're going to take our verse. This is our new verse. And I'm going to ink up in Warm Breeze. I'm going to stamp off and then just on the edges. And there we go. Okay, so I'm just going to use my air dryer. Okay, because I'm using micas again. I've definitely learned that the drier the card, the better, because it doesn't stick to everything else otherwise. And I'm going to use our stencil. And I'm just going to take our smoothie and the Versamark, and I'm just going to put a little about on the card here. I'm not going to do too much. Let's see how we get on with that. Okay, so now I'm going to pick our micas. We may as well use the Ocean Pearl. Okay, so I'm going to take a brush and then just pick some up, just a little at a time, and that's just coming through now. You can build on your mica, you can add more and it will get stronger. But I'm just treading carefully to start with. And you can just see that coming through, which looks really fab actually. I've tried to put it in the areas where it needs a little bit more happening. I've got quite a lot of foliage down here, so I tried to aim for these areas. And you can just see that looks great. Okay, so lastly, I'm going to just go around the edge of the mermaid. Maybe we'll go with the green. I'm just going to go around the edge of her. And this will really pull her out, make her stand out. So she's got like a green sort of hue around her while she's swimming in that deep ocean. Not too sure where she's swimming to, but she looks like she's going somewhere. Only she knows. Okay guys, I'm going to dry that off now. And then I'm going to add a little bit of glitter. And I think I'm just going to add the glitter just over her scales, to be honest. And we will go with the green and the turquoise. Let's keep to the theme. Tap that off, and there it is. Hope you can see all that lovely mica down here as well. And that's the what did I say it was? The ocean pearl, I think it was. So, but there are some fabulous colours in the mica. The green is really nice as well, and that goes with all the sort of sea theme. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Thanks ever so much for watching me today. I appreciate all your comments, all your likes, all your shares. I don't get time to answer everybody, but I certainly read everyone's comments, so thank you so much for them. You take care, guys, and we'll see you real soon. Bye for now.